You gonna go down the hill, Kelly? You're crazy. You really? Here she goes. Here she goes. Put your feet on the pedals, don't forget.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's better to put your feet on the pedals.
Yeah?
Yeah, it keeps you going slower.
No, yeah.
Alright, Daredevil. Yeah, now we're going. There she goes.
Huh?
There she goes. Now you can pedal down. Did you get your feet stuck?
Yeah.
Well, stick them on the pedals. Need some help? Let's go see what's going on.
My shoes.
Okay, I'm going to hold on to the back. Now you put your feet on the pedals. Oh, phone. I better go get it. Back in a sec.